friends, Miss Vanessa here. It's Fun Friday, and today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh. So come into my kitchen and let's think about all the ingredients we need for a recipe. First, we're going to start with 1 cup of water here. You can see I have the water up to the 1 cup mark. Next, I have 1 cup of flour. I'm going to scoop it up a little bit there and get that 1 cup filled to the top. Next, I'm going to take my salt and measure 1/2 cup. 2 of the 1/2 cups fit in the 1 cup. Down here, I have oil. I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of oil in a little bit. And our secret ingredient here is cream of tartar. Cream of tartar makes the Play-Doh very pliable and very soft. It stays longer. If you don't have cream of tartar, that's okay. You can just leave it out. Friends, the last idea we're going to think about is if you have food coloring, we can add a few drops to the water. You can also use Kool-Aid or something else to color the Play-Doh. I don't have anything at my house, so our Play-Doh today is just going to be white, and that's okay. First, I'm going to take the water and dump it into a pot. My 1 cup of water. Then, I'm going to get my oil and measure out 1 teaspoon of oil and dump that in. Next, friends, I'm going to take my salt. I'm going to dump that in the pot. Take my spoon. Mix that up so it dissolves in the water a little bit. I'm going to get my cream of tartar and get that into the pot. Look at that, I can measure out 2 teaspoons. There's 1. And here is, oh, it's getting to the bottom of the bag. There is 2. I'm going to take my spoon and mix that in to get it all dissolved. Next, I'm going to take my flour and dump it in just a little bit at a time, getting it all blended, all incorporated in. All right, friends, now that I have my water, my salt, my flour, my oil, and my cream of tartar, my 5 ingredients, and your food coloring if you want it, now I'm going to take the stove. You need a big person to help with this. And we're going to turn it onto medium heat. And we are going to start to stir our Play-Doh. As the pot gets warm, the dough is going to form a big ball, and we wanted to let it cook for just a minute or 2 once that ball is formed, so it can stay nice and soft and last for a long time. Friends, you can see that at the bottom of the pan down here, that it's not as runny and liquidy as it used to be, that it's starting to form. The flour and the water and the salt are starting to cook and make a dough ball. So I'm going to keep stirring this. I'm scraping the sides of the pan and I'm scraping the bottom of the pan, keeping it moving so it all can cook and become one big ball of Play-Doh. Friends, I think our Play-Doh is almost done here. This is going to be really hot, so this is something that moms and dads are absolutely going to help you with. You can see that in my pan here, it's starting to form a big ball. So I'm going to give it a couple more turns and a couple more pushes, and then it's going to be ready. I have a piece of foil waiting over here for the Play-Doh to cool on until it's safe enough to touch with our hands. I'm going to take this going to be very hot, so I'm going to gently take my hand and push it down and flatten it so more of the surface area is touching the air so it can cool. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to flip it over so the other side can cool. And it's going to stay there for about 5 or 10 minutes until it's cool enough for us to touch and us to build things with. I'll see you in a little bit. Friends, what are you going to make with your Play-Doh today? I just rolled this piece into a long snake and I'm making it into an O for Miss Oliva. I made lots of different fun ideas over here. I worked on a V for Vanessa, an M for Miss Molly. I even made some tacos and a snowman and pizza that I know that lots of you love to create. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great time with your Play-Doh and we'll see you later. Come on everybody and clean up our Play-Doh, clean up our Play-Doh, clean up our Play-Doh.